Incwadi yanamhlanje ifundeka kanjena. Sawubona Thokozane, ngingumlandeli wakho omkhulu. Ngicela ungisize. Ngashada nonkosikazi wami last year. Ngamthola anengane. Lokho akuzange kungenze ngizizwe ngendlela ehlukile ngaye. Ngamlobola, sahlala ndawonye, ngathi akeze nengane yakhe ayithola ngaphandle, sihlale nayo, ngizoyondla ngiyiphathe njengengane yami. Ngikubhalela nje sinomntwana futhi sinaye. Inkinga yami manje sengithole ukuthi bekakhuluma no baba wengane yakhe behind my back. Bebahlela ibirthday yomntwana. Unkosikazi wami ungitshela ama details a week before the birthday party that she's planning behind my back. The details angitshela zona includes that the baby daddy will be coming to sleep at our house just for one night. I attend a birthday party. I was furious when she told me this. Ngabe sengifonele ekhaya, my dad and my siblings. Wathi ubaba, I'm such a weak man. Why ngingafile for a divorce? Kanti nabodadewethu nabafowethu bathi ngiyisilima ngivumela kanjani into enjeni ukuthi umngami akhulume ne-ex yakhe. So angazi ngenze njani. I've asked for a break nomama wasendlini, asisahlali ndawonye. I decided ukuthi ngike ngiyoshawa umoya, ngisachashile eflatini kungimanje. Ngicela ningisize, iyasinda lento. Alright, udaba ke lolo esizobe silikhuluma go live this week on Monday the 27th of May. Ungagalela sibe nama live amnandi from Friday last week. Nakule viki leli I'm hoping we'll have interesting topics and interesting messages that are thought provoking. Bese siyagadla, siyayidalula, siyayidissecta, siyayianalyza, siyabasiza abo anonymous. Ngenzeka nawe ungasizakala. Igama lami uThothi Thokozane. Ungakhohlwa ngama live sessions wethu la kwa TikTok from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock ntambama.
Yeah. Statement saka anonymous city baby number 1 uyisibotho, right?
Yeah, baby daddy number 1, yeah.
Uyisibotho. Ma uyisibotho kusho ukuthi uyathenga utshwala or bayakuthengela or something around you kunemali yokuthenga utshwala, right?
That what I'm gathering ukuthi uyisibotho in a sense of that uyakhona kwenza okunye but ukondla ingane akakwenzi. Yeah.
Yes. Uyabona manje ngimamele, we went around all perspectives and to say this and this and this and that. Ma akayisibotho kusho ukuthi uya-afforda ukuwondla ingane. And when he's affording to wondla ingane, I neglected that responsibility. Akhethu yenzani ukuphuza utshwala. That means this lady must go take the legal route in terms of ukumforsa ukuthi ayenze what?